can't handle this.
I can't handle this.
Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Kaz here. We're here with Sarah.
Hello.
Yes.
I'm excited to be here.
I'm excited for you to be here too, friend. And we are here with a very highly requested, highly anticipated video with Geoff's newest cover of The Reigns of Castamere from the Game of Thrones. We're super excited for this one. And the shout out of the day goes to, it's from James Paul Dealishment. I hope I said that right. And he has a bunch of emojis. He's like, home free or a hot mess again. This is on my latest home free. And Kaz and Sarah, y'all seriously need to watch Geoff Castellucci's latest piece of work, Lord of Castamere. He's done it again, and no, y'all ain't ready for this. 5-alarm fire. So buckle up, buttercups. You will lose your minds with like 5 million emojis. And like, oh, and if that ain't enough, hydrate, and hydrate some more, ladies. So I'm gonna hydrate with some Dutch. Thank you so much, James, for that comment. Liking and subscribing, all that fun YouTube stuff. Speaking of fun YouTube stuff, you should give this video a like.
Do it. Also, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. It helps me out a lot. And also press the little bell so you're notified every time I post. You need to. You really do. Also, guys, I have a Patreon that's in the description below. It has a lot of exclusive videos that are just for Patreon. I got you guys get early access, all kinds of fun stuff. So, yay!
Y'all ready for this? Oh, also shout out to Phil. I did an unboxing video.
Phil.
I haven't released it yet. His note's up here. But Phil sent me, there's a magazine up here. It says the world's most haunted places. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. But he also sent us things to throw. Some pens.
Yes, he did.
And erasers. So thank you, Phil. I got a kick out of that. All right, friend. You ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
Apparently we're not ready.
We're not ready.
We're never ready.
We're never ready.
We're never ready.
Ever.
Well, without further ado, friend,
let's get to it.
Let's do it.
Oh, we're not ready.
We're not ready.
We're not ready.
We're not ready.
Okay, sorry, I'm done.
Okay, we're excited, obviously. Okay, sorry about that. My audio
difficulties, that's fine.
from my mic was not recording, so in the beginning of that, it's all gonna be the audio from my camera, so it might sound a little weird at first. I apologize. I don't know what that was about. Anyways.
And who are you?
Whoa.
No. What the f?
What's your profanity?
What the f?
Calm down.
What the f?
For a second.
Wait.
This is 3 seconds.
3 seconds into this video. Okay.
Stop.
Give us a break. Okay. What was that?
I'm not hydrated enough.
What was that?
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what's happening. I'm not ready for this.
Oh, okay, let's just redo that. Let me get ready. Get
ready.
And who are you? The proud Lord said that I must bow so low.
Oh!
Only a cat of a
Stop looking at me like that! Don't do that! Why are you looking at me like that? I don't like it! I do like it, but I don't like it!
She's giving me,
the
like,
chills?
they're in my spine.
They're in my legs.
Oh, okay.
Woo!
Oh.
Woo!
That was my neck.
Woo! The frick?
Alright, let's try this again.
Only a cat of a different coat. That's all the truth I know. In a coat,
I lost my eraser.
under a coat of red, a lion still has claws, and mine alone.
Oh, stop. What's
Working. Oh, are we gonna get how many? Hold on, how many Geoffs are we getting? Are we getting 5? I don't know if I can handle 5. 4 was enough. Okay, I don't know if I can handle 5 Geoffs.
Calm down. Calm down.
What's happening?
Calm down.
I don't like the way he's smirking at me.
I don't like it either.
Mine alone and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours.
Oh God.
Up as yours.
What?
And so he spoke.
What did he say?
What the fuck?
Almost cursed.
You did. What was that? I can't handle this. I can't handle this. I can't handle this.
Jeff, listen. We've had many conversations. Just
He
chill
doesn't
out.
care what we have to say.
Chill out. You want X Games mode, okay?
We don't care what we have to say. Ridiculous.
And so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains weep o'er his hall.
Oh my God.
No one there to hear. Yes, now the rains weep o'er his hall with not a soul.
Ooh.
Yeah, can you
he
hear
he put like
that?
an echo effect. Like he doubled his vocals or something. He like doubled his voice there.
Yeah.
It sounded cool.
Not a soul to hear.
Whoa. Ooh. He cinematic boomed. No, don't do it.
What is happening?
I don't know what he's doing.
What is gonna happen?
I'm
What is
scared.
gonna happen?
I'm scared.
I don't like this way he's looking at him.
And
I don't like it.
There's
Yeah. Why are you
Chesticle.
looking at yourself like that?
and you're backing up like you're gonna
Sit down, friend.
unleash.
Sit down, friend. It's gonna be okay. And so I don't know what's
Is it,
happening.
though?
No, I don't know what's about to go down, and I'm a little nervous. I'm a little nervous. They're about to go to battle, is what's gonna happen.
That's all, folks.
Yep.
They're gonna go on a voice battle. I can't even talk. I'm just gonna stop talking.
The outfit itself is good.
I'm done.
Right? That brown outfit, the chesticle, you know? And then he's like stepping away like...
Okay, but he's wearing an outfit, if you knew, like one of the characters, his name is Braun, and he sings this song a lot because he always sings it before battle.
Oh, okay.
So he kind of looks like Braun, one of the characters in the show.
Oh,
Oh.
no. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, no.
What are you doing?
She needs some milk.
Nope. I'm done. That was ridiculous.
There was so much resonance in that.
What was happening?
Holy crap. Oh, my God. My whole body.
I'm cold.
I'm freezing. And we're usually sweating.
This is not okay.
What the heck?
Oh, God. Okay.
Like, he got off there like, okay, let's do this.
That was not okay. The way he, like, moved.
And then, like, the all the parts, how they sounded together, and then the resonance from the middle Jeff.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, God, okay.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh. Woo! I'm gonna cry.
You pause that.
I'm gonna cry.
Oh my God, Fred.
Did you hear that note?
Yes, I heard it, Fred.
Ooh.
I'm shaking. This is amazing.
This is so good.
God, he's ridiculous.
They came in layers and layers and
Yeah.
layers, and they got deeper and deeper and deeper.
Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Oh my God. That's beautiful. He's evil, I can tell.
Oh, stop.
That's cool.
And so he spoke.
Whoa. Whoa, that part was haunting. Whoa.
This is ridiculous.
And they came again.
And so he spoke, and so he spoke.
Oh!
Now the rains weep o'er his hall, with no one there to hear. Now the rains weep o'er his hall,
Nope. Nope.
with not a soul
Oh!
to hear.
That was so disturbing in such a fantastic way. That note, what was that? What was that? What was that? What just happened? What was that?
It's not often that I can't say something. That's speechless. The way he sang that, I don't know. We're gonna do it again. Holy crap. Holy crap.
I can't. I'm shaking. That was so intense, dude.
Right?
That was so intense.
That was arranged
that
so well.
That was intense.
I want to do that ending one more time. That was amazing.
With not a soul
Low.
to hear.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. That was dumb. That was awesomely dumb. Wow.
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 Wow. That was flippin' fantastic. Y'all have been requesting this and telling us that we weren't ready. And as always, you were right.
Yep.
So
I don't know why we don't listen to
I
you
don't
guys
know.
more
I
often.
don't know. I thought it was prepped enough,
Yeah.
but apparently we weren't. So that was amazing.
Amazing.
I can't say anything other than that was freaking fantastic. Jeff did it
Amazing.
again. You know,
Jeff.
Jeff did it again.
Jeff Castellucci. I can't even say your last name right now because I'm a little frustrated
Yeah,
in a good way.
that was amazing. Wow.
Ugh.
Well, guys,
I hope you liked that video.
yeah, I hope you did. If you did, make sure to like it. Please. Do it.
Do it.
Also, make sure to subscribe.
Yes.
And press the little bell so you're notified every time I post.
Which is often.
Very often. So you don't want to miss out. Also, Patreon's in the description below, as well as all my social media. And as always, I love you guys very much. Stay awesome.
Bye-bye.
Stay beautiful. Holy
Wow.
crap.
Wow.
Wow indeed, friend.
Wow indeed, friend.